Hi and welcome to the Best Topic channel. Best Topic means the best way to learn graphic. I'm Masuma Shariflu, and in episode 27 of the PowerPoint tutorial series, I want to discuss the histogram chart. I recommend that you follow this tutorial series from episode 1 to fully learn PowerPoint software. And the sixth chart is the histogram chart that, as it is clear from the picture, here it displays a range of numbers on the horizontal axis. For example, I showed the number of employees based on the age, that it shows the employees with the age range of 26 to 30 here. And the range of age that is shown in the horizontal axis, you can add the numbers. Well, it can be a suitable option for the continuous variable. To add it in the slide, again, we add it from insert chart. We select the histogram option, then click on OK. That again, as soon as the chart we added in the slide, the Excel file is opened for editing the data. Now look here. In the histogram chart, it determines the range between 1 to 5. Let me use this square part and click on the data label, that the numbers are shown here specifically as you see in the range of 1 to 5, it added 5 here. In the range of 5 to 9 and the amount of 11, let's see how the data were added in the chart when we open the Excel file. Let me put it in this way here in order to make counting easier. When it puts 5 in the range of 1 to 5, it means that the numbers are repeated 5 times in the range of 1 to 5. Actually, from this part of data to 5 itself. See, how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This frequency of data is repeated 5 times. Now, let's see 5 to 9, that it starts from 6 to here. And let's see how many is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 numbers here. That's why you see 11 here. It means that you can see the number of the frequency here. For example, in the range of 9 to 13, we have 23 numbers. In the range of 13 to 17, we have 24 numbers. In this way, you can edit the data of the histogram charts, and the design and format are the same as the other charts that we do not spend more time on it, and we start studying the next chart. Thanks for watching this video. Hello, my name is Masuma Shariflu. My specialty is graphic design and designing presentation slides with PowerPoint. If you need an engaging and effective presentation for your business or school project, I'm here to help you. To contact me, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number mentioned in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and providing the best possible service in designing your presentation. Thanks for your attention.